Hi, in the last video you may have noticed that we used the include form.php line here. We used it 3 times to do very similar things, and it seems kind of redundant, so I think this would be a really good opportunity to write a function that we could call to kind of make our life a little easier there. So let's go ahead and go beneath our main if statement there, just before our closing PHP tag, and let's create a function. I'm going to call this function show form, and I'm going to give it one parameter, which is going to be our error message. So but actually the first time the page loads, it's just going to say please enter your username. That's not really an error, but so let's name it message, and that will be a string variable. So let's create our function here, and in our function we'll just go include form.php echo message. So that's a pretty simple function. Once we do that, what we can do is go up here and erase all this and just call our function show form, and the message we want to give it is please enter your username and password, because that'll be the first thing people see if that submit button is not pushed. And we can do the same thing here. We can go show form username not found, and then we can do the same thing in here, show form wrong password. Okay, so that's kind of the first time we're looking at some practical uses of functions. So let's just go ahead and save that and just make sure it's doing what we want it to do here. And again, we'll have to go up to the URL bar and click return to totally reset everything. So John, username not found, John Smith, wrong password because we didn't write a password, John Smith 1 2 3 4 5. Welcome back, John Smith. So you can kind of see we really cleaned up our code, made it a lot more useful. And then we can also call this function again if we ever need it. All we need to give it is whatever message we want to display with our form as a parameter. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.